What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel again. So today's video gonna be a little bit different than my usual kayaking, hiking and adventure videos. So what happened is, like last time when we went for hiking, I was holding my phone with my gimbal, and then it was not so easy, and even my wife was so worried that I might fall or something like that, right? So just to be safe and then keep giving you good videos, I've decided to bought a GoPro camera. Okay, today I'll be unboxing GoPro camera, and I have accessories also from Insignia. So I'll be showing you that shortly, guys. But before we jump in unboxing, I would like to reveal a small giveaway to appreciate my first 100 subscribers. Thank you very much, subscribers, for your trust and belief. And then going forward, in every milestone of every 100, I'm planning to give another $25 each 100, and then once I reach 500 and 1000, I'll have some other giveaways coming up, guys. So if you want to be on that giveaway draw, so you'll have to just subscribe my channel and then comment below in this video. Within a week I'll be announcing a winner, and then I'll send you $25 via PayPal or Interact, whatever works for you. So guys, stay tuned. Please comment and subscribe. Give me thumbs up. So today I'm very excited. I have two things to unbox here. So I have my new GoPro 8 Hero, and I have Insignia accessory kit for GoPro. I do have lots of things in there. So I'll be opening both of these for you guys today. Okay, let's see what we have inside here. So from this corner, from the bottom, you can simply unbox like this, and let's see what we have inside. Oh, wow, guys, see my new GoPro just sitting on the box there. Beautiful, guys. I've heard that like this is just for the shipping purpose, so if you take this out gently, you might be able to use it. Oh, let's stick in there. Oh. There you go, guys. This is my beautiful GoPro camera. So there you go. Okay, guys, the screw on the left side, we have to just unscrew it. So it was really tight, so I had to use screwdriver to just slightly unscrew it. So once you loosen up a little bit, then simply take this off, and our GoPro is good to go. So now, there is a small the mount there, so you can, those clip will go on your all the accessories what we have. So today I'll be showing you Insignia. So this is our beautiful, nice looking GoPro, guys. So you have a small display there, so you can see your video, what you're taking, and simply power button. I can see the mic on front, and there should be one mic on back as well. Yeah, it's on the side. So there is a power. Looks like this is the shutter, so you can just click and start taking the videos. Yeah, looks nice, guys. So it looks like this side has a battery, so simply you just pull it up, and then you'll see the red means no more waterproof. So there is a battery placed here. Let's see what we have in the box. I'm gonna leave this open so that I can put my battery in. So this is the box they provided with. So people are saying lots of junk in there, but let's see what we have. Right, so looks like there is some free stuffs there, so you can try it out. So I heard that they'll be giving you 50% discount on accessories. If you go in there, so this is the direction there, so you should have read this one first, right? So yeah, any informations, there you go. Yeah, lots of junk in there, guys. The whole manual if you like to read. And let's see what we have in here. So simple, one battery. So I heard this battery you can use for any GoPros, the previous GoPros. So GoPro 7, 6 Pro or whatever they have, it's the battery. And we have one little sticky one, this one, and we have simply power cable. So let's put the battery in and we'll see if it turns out. If there is some charge, then it will turn for sure, right? So to get the battery, I think I have to just pull this up. Up. Oh, I think this is just to pull the battery out from the GoPro. I almost wrecked it. Okay, so simply slide in, done. Oh yes, this is correct. So, you know, just pull the battery out. Small things in there. Yeah, just simply pull the battery out. Okay, when you put the battery in, it will just click like that, and then you can close the door. Good to go. So let's turn this on. I think I have to take this off. Yes. Wow, nice screen there. So let's turn the GoPro from the side and I'll show you guys. First time I'm turning on. Where is my power? There you go. The power. Oh, it's turning on. You can see my. There you go. It has a wide angle camera. So now simply we'll be setting up. Absolutely English there. You need to agree something. Turn on the location. Yeah, it's saying now I have to set up in my phone. So I have already installed the GoPro app. So now I'll be just following the setup steps and we are good to go. So let's see guys, if I can give you more videos from this GoPro. And once I have used this one a little bit more, I'll make next video if you like. So let me know what you wanna see in comment below, then I'll make more videos for you. So let's put the GoPro aside and then we'll be unboxing what we have in our insignia accessory kit. Okay, so this is the GoPro accessory kit. I got it together with my GoPro. So I'll be using few things here for sure. So example, headband, I'll be using that, and the chest strap also I'll be using, and you can see one small tripod there, handheld, and the floating one. I think this is for like a water, and when you're doing lots of fun in water, then you might be using this one. So I think this might be really helpful for me. So I'll be doing lots of kayaking. And so that's why this might be really helpful for me. When I do the biking, I might be using headband, but you know, with the helmet, I'm not sure I can put the headband or not. But for sure, the chest one I can use, chest strap I can use for biking, right? So there is a car mount I can use for the car dash, and a small tripod, and some buckles there, and a couple of screws, and I think safety wire also in there. So let's open up what we have. Right, so right. Okay, this way. Some manual in English and French. Okay, so first one is this guy here. Yeah, looks like, yeah, I can use for water. My GoPro will just fit in there. Okay, I'll be setting this up later. This looks awesome. So, okay, let's leave this one aside if we're using this more. Okay, the next one, what I have in here, let's see what it is. Oh, this is the chest strap. So it just goes around your shoulder and it's nice. So I can show you later on, guys, more videos on how I use all these accessories. Looks like this is a headband. Yes, it is. So there you go. Simply goes around your head. You're good to go. What we have next? So a small kind of selfie stick kind of thing. So you can just mount your GoPro in here and use it. Very simple. Okay, so another one, I think this might be really useful when I'm making time-lapse or other videos for longer. So I can mount my GoPro here, and this is kind of like you can bend and just, you know, use it on different surfaces. So yeah, this is really good. Love it so far. Okay, what we have next? So next one is for car dash, I guess. Yeah, it is. So simply with the suction, so you can put in your car dash and put your GoPro on. Good to go. You have one buckle as well. Oh, I think this buckle is for something else. Okay, yeah, we have a couple of buckle and mounts, and we have two extra screws there, and this is for safety. So if you're doing rock climbing and such a thing, you can just use this one for secure your GoPro. And they do have a small carrying bag. I think this might be a little bit useful for me, just to putting all together in there, and I can go without my box. Okay guys, that's all we have. So if you'd like to see more about how I use these accessories and GoPro camera, please comment in below and let me know what you want to see more. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.